So, in this video, I show you how to use Python in Visual Studio Code. Okay, the first step is to go to your browser. Then, type Python in the search bar. Click download Python. Scroll down. Then click download. Scroll down again. Select Windows Installer 64-bit. Open file. Click install now. Then wait for the installation to complete. Click close. The next step, go to search bar, type Visual Studio Code. Then click Visual Studio Code. Then click download for the window. Open file. Check the first checkbox. Then set the soft location. Then click next until finish. Click finish. After that, will be dragged to Visual Studio Code. Go to extension, then install Python. Click Ctrl N, select a language, select Python. After that, we can use Visual Studio Code.